What's up, YouTube? So, I'm gonna try and wheelie real quick, see what it does. Golly. It was like going this way for some stupid reason. I think it's because of the way the road might have been angled or something. I don't know. Yeah. I think that's what it was. Let's try it one more time. Come on. Ah! See what I mean? It's just too hard to get it to come up for some stupid reason. Wears you out too. Makes you come out of breath. So, I bought a new battery for my phone. Stupid me. Didn't try and charge it before I left the store to see if it'd work. And it's not working. So, the battery is good, but the actual charger is not. It's like not charging. So, I'm going to go buy a charging port. I was looking on eBay at them, like $4.99. It was like it's like $4 or $5 on eBay. I called that store and I was like, how much do you sell charging ports for? And he was like, oh, it's about 20 bucks. It's like, yeah, are you serious? 20 freaking dollars. I was like, man, they sell for $4 or $5 on eBay. He's like, oh yeah, you know, sometimes they don't work on eBay when you buy them and stuff like that. Damn it. He said, if this one don't work, you know, you can always bring it back, try to get another one. So I'm going to get a refund for my battery, get my old battery back, and buy a charging port for 20 freaking dollars. Maybe it'll take less for it or something. Really, all I'm spending is 10 because I'm getting my old battery back. So technically, I'll be, you know, just buying a $10 charging port, which is a little like $5 over what I wanted to spend on one. So it's okay. It's just $10. But I get my dang phone working. I hope it fixes it. If it don't, I ain't buying it because that'd just be lame. But I really want to use this phone. That's why I keep trying to fix it. I ain't used it in so long. I guess the charging port just kind of crapped out on me. Oh, squeaky brakes, squeaky brakes. Whew, I thought Taylor was pulling out in front of that car. It scared me. But I gotta make it there before 7 o'clock, and it was like 6:15 or something like that when I left. So, and I'm all the way out in Holly Pond. Of course, the day I need to get over there is the day I'm in Holly Pond, which sucks. So I'm gonna try and make it home, get some money, go to Coleman Phone's tablet, and try and get a charging port. He was like, "You want us to install it?" It's like, "Fuck no, I can do that." Because I took it apart and pulled the charging port out. And that's how golly, the wind is killer. That's how I figured out how to get the charging port out. I pulled it all apart myself. It's like, fuck no, I'll do that. You'll probably charge me $40 fucking. I'll start working on fucking phones. This dude's made a killing off me in a day. Start doing that. Just rip people off all the time. I mean, seriously, there was like 1,000 charging ports on eBay, and they're all like $4 or $5 a piece. He's like, 20 bucks. Like, damn it, if I really didn't want to use this phone, I wouldn't fucking buy it. But I really want to use this phone, so I'm gonna buy it. See, I'm gonna need some tires for this bike. The back tire is small, and the front tire is like cupped, so it's making the wheel, it's making the steering shake. I'll show you. Watch. See? I would like to learn how to stand up on the seat and like put my arms out. I gotta figure out what speed to do that at, because you know the handlebars shake real bad when it's at a high speed, or like when it's coming down. So like if you ran 80 and let go of the steering wheel, it would start shaking at 60, 65. I don't even know if I could balance on this thing doing that. There just ain't no telling. My buddy done it on his bike. He said that he ran 80 and got up on the seat, and like he wasn't standing straight up. He was kind of, it looked like, you know, he was bent down a little bit, but he stood up, let go of the steering wheel, and at 80, and about, he said, coming back down about 70 is when his starts shaking like that. So he got back down, and he'd get back down he'd stand up about 80, and then he'd let go about 80 and put his arms out, and then he'd come, as it started losing speed, he would come back down. He said about 70s where he'd come put his hands back on the handlebars. I think that's just something neat that I could learn or just get a picture of. I wouldn't care to do it one time. I just don't want to get fucked up by doing it. Man, I hope I make it. I'll be really pissed off. If I don't make it, I'm just gonna buy a damn charging port offline off eBay for like $4, and I'm going to get my money back on this battery tomorrow. Be done with it. So I was like, they acted like he didn't want to give me the battery back. I said, can I get a refund and swap my batteries back? Because it can't be the battery since it's a charging port. He's like, it could have been the battery too, but I can give you a refund for it. It's like, alright, well, you're not going to convince me not to get my battery back because it's my charging port. He better not give me a bad charging port for freaking $20 either. I'm just super mad. just hope I make it. I bet I look like a poser or something getting out like this. The wind's so rough. It sucks. And I'm getting kind of fat, so when I lean forward, it's like I have to like arch my back when I lean forward so that my tummy is against the tank and I don't look fat. I'm trying to make sure it's not caught. I'm gonna pull my phone out and see what time it is, because my clock on here is wrong. .640. Damn it. 640, son. See how bad it shakes? Can't even like... I can't even fucking let go and tighten my damn helmet. It's so stupid. Ready to get another front tire. Slow down through here. But anyways, I'd like to know, I know I haven't uploaded any videos in a while. I've just been so busy, and I even got to where I wasn't even riding my Supermoto. And I don't know, I couldn't ride the Supermoto anymore. It was getting boring. I don't know exactly why it was getting boring, but I guess it just, I don't know. And then Dylan stopped riding, and he was one of the people I rode with, him and Garrett. And I ain't rode with Garrett in a while. And my Supermoto was just sitting in the yard. I was like, man. And then everybody's getting a damn sport bike. Dang it. This crap's annoying. It's like the back of the helmet is too big, and air is just coming into it. There we go. I'll just look up in the sky. I'll be okay. Stare at the sun. That's annoying. Super annoying. I'll just get down like this, and that way the wind don't hit me. But anyway, I just got to where I was just bored when I was riding Supermoto, and Damien's a guy's supposed to trade Damien a bike tonight for his car, and he'll have a Katana. I'm not sure on the year, make or model, but I know it's a Katana. Ugh. I think I swapped this to 1080p. I can't remember, but if it's not on 1080p, it's on a 960, 30 frames per second. I wish I had 1080p, 60 frames per second. That would be awesome. Ugh. The wind is so violent today, and it's so dumb. It's violent. My fucking helmet too. It's pissing me off. Good gosh. That is annoying. I'm about to just buy a fucking new helmet. Be done with it. But anyway, that's why I'm back on a sport bike, is because I just felt like I needed another one. That was my first Supermoto and it fucked me up 3 times. But I think I got hurt on a sport bike once. Just once. And that was in, like, I was riding around in my mom's yard and I had my finger on the clutch like this. Just riding around, so, and I pulled in the clutch for some reason, and when I let go, I was still on the throttle. I was in like first gear, second gear, something like that, and it was just like wham, and the fucking bike just come out from under me. It didn't hurt me or anything, but it sprung my thumb a little bit, and I went to the doctor and they put a brace on my thumb. I was okay after that. Yeah, I thought I broke it. I don't know, I'm like that though. It's like, I just get really, I get really worried. I'm like a worrywart. So like, if I hurt something, I start worrying a lot. I'm like, oh man, I broke it. And I'll get lightheaded, all that crap. I really will. I wonder if Taylor's got any money, because I don't have any money, and the money I have is at the house. It'll probably take me a minute to go all the way home to get money. Copper. We're good. And I got pulled over on the Supermoto. I never get pulled over. You know? Oh my goodness. I've done a lot to that Jeep. I helped put that Jeep together a while back. Pow, pow. Man. And yes. Gotta get to the house. My buddy has that same truck. Man, going through town on a bike sucks sometimes. You know, you'll get caught at red lights like this one up here, and the bike gets so hot. It's just like almost unbearable. Cause the freaking, it's okay because, you know, you take off like in a few minutes, but damn, this thing gets hot. And it's got a fan too, so. Okay. Whoa, about fell. Damn it, I got 15 minutes. Sucks. There ain't no telling if I'll make it today. This dude's staring at me hard. Come on. Got to get to the house and get some monies. If you're wondering why I'm saying this, is I don't keep my money on me. I don't keep a lot of money on me. I wonder if Taylor's got any money. I'll ask her if this dude passes by. motherfucker is going as fast as Taylor is. It's like, come here. Come here, Taylor, come here. Do you... What? You got any money on you? Fuck. I gotta hurry. What time is it? I got 10 minutes.